Good morning, students. Now, class 7. Today, you have to read about acid. At first, you have to know that what is an acid. Acid is an element, or it is a compound, or it is a mixture, because you have known that substances. Substances may be an acid, may be a compound, or may be a mixture. Now you have read about element and mixture and compound. Now acid come in the category of compound. Now acid is not the element, not the mixture. It is a compound which is sour in taste. As for example, you taste your orange or lemon juice, you have found that it is sour in taste. Now orange, lemon juice, are the acid. Now acid, you have to say that what is an acid. Now you can say that acid is a compound which is sour in taste. But all the substances which have sour taste, and you cannot taste it, all the substance cannot be tasted by your tongue, because some strong acids are found, which is very dangerous. Now, how will you detect it? How will you taste it that this is an acid? Now, with the help of litmus paper, we can identify that the given substance is an acid or base or salt. But how will you have to detect the acid? Now you will have to take blue litmus paper. If you will take blue litmus paper and wet it with water, then you put 2 or 3 drops of acid, then you will see that blue litmus paper turns into red. Now you can define the acid that it is the compound which turns blue litmus paper red and sour in taste, that is the acid. Now in upper class you will have to know that the which compound called acid. Now the compound which gives hydrogen ion on dissociation with water, that is acid. Now the compound which gives hydrogen ion on dissociation with water is called acid. Now you can define that acid is a compound which is sour in taste, which turns blue litmus red and gives hydrogen ion on dissociation with water is called what? Acid. Now hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. Write down the hydrochloric acid. The formula of hydrochloric acid is HCl. है ना? H capital H, C capital L small. आप जानते हो क्लोरीन को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए हम लोग Cl लिखते हैं, जिसमें कैपिटल C होता है और स्मॉल L होता है ना? तो हाइड्रोजन आयन और क्लोराइड आयन से फॉर्म किया है ये, ठीक है? तो आप लिखेंगे HCl. नाउ सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड H2SO4. Now nitric acid HNO3. Phosphoric acid H3PO4. Carbonic acid H2CO3. Carbonic acid H2CO3. Sulfurous acid H2SO3. Now formic acid HCOOH. acetic acid CH3COOH. Huh? Citric acid, tartaric acid, malic acid, malonic acid. These are the acids. Understand? Now, which acid is called the strong acid and which acid is called the weak acid? Those acids which are completely dissociated into water to give hydrogen ion, that is called the strong acid. As for example, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, these are the strong acids. And the acid which which is partially dissociated into water to give hydrogen ion, that is called weak acid. That is all the organic acid, that is formic acid, acetic acid, citric acid, tartaric acid, lactic acid. It is here the weak acids. Understand? Now you have understood that what is an acid and what is strong acid and what is weak acid. Understand?